Hey everybody, today I'll be showing you how to turn your dim turn signals to bright turn signals. So first step, you want to go ahead and head to Amazon. The link is in the description for these. The Oxlight 7440 T20 LED bulbs. Make sure you get them in the yellow amber pack. These will be way brighter than stock. They're LEDs, not halogens. So let's get straight to it. So guys, all you're gonna need for this install is a pry tool. Doesn't have to be like this. It could be a screwdriver, kitchen knife, whatever. You have 2 pins on your trunk liner. Just go ahead and pop them out. Just like that. Just like that. Pull it off. You can see we have access. What we wanna get to is this lower bulb here. This is our blinker. So all we need to do, pull the harness out, easy, twist that by the way, if you guys didn't see, pull the harness out, twist the light, pull it right out. That's your stock bulb. Now all we have to do, swap out the LED bulb with this one. So guys, as you'll come to notice, when you pull this out, there are polarity specific pins. Make sure you hit them with the new bulb. You don't want to pop this backwards where it's not actually hitting the right tab. So make sure you have your metal connections are good, and that's all you have to do. So if we're popping it back in, same exact procedure. Go in there, stick the bulb in. So just twist it. It's locked in now, not moving. Plug your connector back in. That's all there is to it. Make sure your liner goes underneath this weather stripping here. Don't want to jam up the weather stripping. And then just reinstall your clips. Simple, pull the body away from the head, insert it in, clip the head back on. Same thing for this one. Just like that, and that's all done. And you have your old bulb. Now guys, we have a difference here. Fast, firm blinking, extremely bright, slow, dull blinking, not very bright. So we have the before and after. We'll do the exact same side, the exact same thing to the other side, and that should be it. Easy install. And just like that, both sides are in. It looks beautiful, way better than stock. It doesn't have that halogen sort of open and close type of look. It's just a on off, way better than stock. I like the way that looks. As you can see, bright enough to bounce off the garage door. The old ones did not do that, so I feel bad for anyone driving behind me, but at least you are confident in your ability to change lanes without anyone running into you. And there you go, guys, just like that. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, have any questions, please leave them in the bottom. I'll see you guys next time.